Welcome, my lovely students. Welcome to Mathological. And this is the first session on least common multiple. So if you watch the session from start to end, then you will never forget the basics of least common multiple. That is my promise to you. बस फोकस करना है अपना, कहीं और अटेंशन नहीं देना है और स्टार्ट टू एंड ध्यान से देखना है. ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं. लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, और दिस इज ऑल्सो सेड एज लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. बात एक ही है. लीस्ट और लोवेस्ट both mean one and the same thing. So there are three words in least common multiple LCM. One is lowest, the second is common, the third is multiple. What does that imply? Okay, सबसे ज्यादा गलती क्यों होती है? Because most of you focus on lowest, इसलिए कंफ्यूज होते हो, and not focus on multiple, because सबसे पहले lowest आ रहा है. But the problem is कि actual में first it is a multiple, then it is common, and then at last it is lowest. For example, let us say we have to find out LCM of three numbers 2, 3 and 4. LCM of three numbers 2, 3 and 4. So let us start writing multiples of 2, because हमें चाहिए least common multiple. तो multiple ही तो चाहिए. तो 2 के multiples लिखना start करते हैं. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and so on. Now let us start writing multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and so on. Now lastly, multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56 and 60. Now can you see the first common multiple कौन सा है? Which one is the first common multiple? 12 is the first common multiple which is coming in multiples of 2, 3 as well as 4. So this 12 is the least common multiple. It is common in all the multiples of 2, 3 and 4, and it is also the least. So that is why 12 is least common multiple. Second common multiple कौन सा आ रहा है? Second common multiple आ रहा है हमारा 24 in all of them. So 24 is also a common multiple. This is also a common multiple, but this is not the least, because least value क्या है? Least value is 12, and that is why we call 12 as the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया? ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया why it is called least common multiple. ओके, अब बात करते हैं कि least common multiple फाइंड आउट कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि हमेशा टेबल थोड़ी बनाएंगे, हमेशा मल्टीपल्स थोड़ी लिखेंगे, तो व्हाट शुड बी द बेटर अप्रोच? So there are two approaches that we'll discuss. The first is taking or writing multiples of the largest number. And why that is so? Because if you observe carefully, so in 2 ka multiples, 12 is the sixth multiple. Sixth multiple, that was our answer. In 3 ka multiples, this was the fourth multiple. But in 4 ka multiple, since 4 was the largest number under consideration, 12 was the third multiple. तो सबसे पहले आया in multiples of 4. That is why we will be focusing on the largest number के multiple. ठीक है? So for example, you have to take LCM of 36 and 48. And 48 is the larger number. Both of them are multiples of 12. 36 is 12 into 3. 48 is 12 into 4. So if we will focus on the larger number, multiples of 48 are 48, 96, 144, 192 and so on. 48 definitely is not a multiple of 36. 96 भी 36 का multiple नहीं है, but 144 is a multiple of both 36 and 48. So that is why 144 will be our LCM. That is the first approach, taking multiples of the largest number. Second approach is co-prime method. Method of co-primes using highest common factor. Okay. So as we've already discussed, if x and y are two numbers and h is their highest common factor, then x and y can be written as HA into HB. Technicalities पे मत जाओ, बात को समझना है. x and y can be written as HA and HB. In that case, h is our highest common factor and a and b are co-prime. h of a and b is equal to 1. a and b are co-prime. ठीक है. So if we remove h, remaining numbers जो हमारे co-prime numbers a and b, so what will be the least multiple that will be getting? That will be h into a into b. HCF multiplied by the co-prime factors of x and y. Okay. For example, अगर हम यही same example लें, LCM of 36 and 48. So we know 36 is 12 into 3, 48 is 12 into 4. So their highest common factor is 12. तो सबसे पहले तो लिख दिया 12. Then the other factors, remaining factors a and b, a is 3 and b is 4. So 12 multiplied by 3 and 4, because 3 and 4 are co-prime. So 12 into 3 into 4, that will be our least common multiple, that is 144. क्या ये अप्रोच क्लियर है? ठीक है. अब कैलकुलेट करते हैं, कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं और वहां पे और भी शॉर्ट मेथड्स समझेंगे जिससे कि हम अपना एलसीएम इजीली निकाल पाएंगे. ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. और हर एक एग्जांपल में, हर एक क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट पॉज एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ. दीज आर वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट 15, 30, 60 and 120. Now in this case, focus on the largest number. And if you watch them, 60, 30 and 15, all of them are factors of 120. सारे के सारे 120 के factors हैं. Isn't it so? In fact, 15 के multiples हैं all of them. All of them are factors of 120. ठीक है. So straight away हमारा LCM क्या आ जाएगा? 120. Because 60 is half of that, 30 is 1/4 of that, 15 is 1/8 of that. 15 into 8 is 120, 120 is 15 into 8. This is 15 into 2, this is 15 into 4. तो straight away हमारा 120 is the answer. ठीक है. 15 का डबल 30, 30 का डबल 60, 60 का डबल 120. That is why 120 will be our least common multiple of all these numbers. Second case, 20, 40, 60 and 90. So between 20 and 60, 60 is the multiple. Okay. 40 and 60 का multiple क्या आएगा? That will be 60 into 2, 120. 120 आ जाएगा. और फिर 120 और 90 का multiple क्या आएगा? 120 और 90 का multiple क्या आएगा? 120 और 90 का multiple क्या आएगा? 120 is 30 into 4, 90 is 30 into 3. So that will be 120 into 3, 360. Okay. Or you could have focused on the largest number 90. और 90 की टेबल स्टार्ट करते तो 90 के मल्टीपल्स में 360, द फोर्थ मल्टीपल इज द एलसीएम. बट बेस्ट अप्रोच क्या होगा कि हमने स्टार्ट किया 20, 40, 60, दीज आर द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 20. ठीक है. 20 और 40 का मल्टीपल 40 है, 20 को क्रॉस कर दिया. अब 40 और 60 पे फोकस किया. 40 और 60 का मल्टीपल विल बी 60 into 2, 120, 120. और फिर 120 और 90 का मल्टीपल निकाल लोगे, दैट विल बी 360. ओके. सेम मेथड अप्लाई करते हैं ऑप्शन सी में. 12, 24, 42, 48, 84 and 66. 12, 24, 48. Among these three numbers, 48 is the multiple. क्रॉस कर दो. ठीक है. लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल 48 है. अब 42 और 84 में 84 is the least common multiple. क्रॉस द 48 टू. तो 48, एक सेकंड 80 into 84 क्यों लिख रहा हूं यहाँ पे. ठीक है. सो हमारे पास नंबर्स बच गए हमारे पास 48, 84 and 66. नाउ फोकस ऑन एनी टू नंबर्स. 48 और 84 पे फोकस करते हैं. लेट अस से 48 इज 6 into 8, 84 is 14 into 6. तो 6 is common in these two. 6 is common. So write 6. Now remaining numbers are 8 and 14, but these are not co-prime. दीज आर नॉट को प्राइम, इनफैक्ट 12 के मल्टीपल्स है दोनों, तो 2 भी आ जाएगा एक्स्ट्रा, 6 इंटू 2 दिस इज एचसीएफ ऑफ 48 एंड 84। रिमेनिंग फैक्टर्स कौन से बच गए हमारे, 7 एंड 4, 7 एंड 4 which are co-prime, तो into 7 into 4 this is our LCM of first 5 numbers, ठीक है, LCM of 12, 24, 42, 48 and 84, बट एडिशनली हमें 66 भी गिवन है, ठीक है। सो अब LCM लेना है इस नंबर का और 66 का, 66 11 into 6, 11 इज द प्राइम नंबर, बाकी 6 के मल्टीपल तो है ही यहाँ पे, तो बस 11 से एक्स्ट्रा मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो दिस विल बी अवर लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ ऑल दीज 6 नंबर्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे नंबर्स ज्यादा थे, थोड़ा सा कम्बसम लगा, बट अदरवाइज दिस वाज इजी। सबसे पहले मैं क्या किया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फोकस्ड ऑन 12, 24 एंड 48, 48 इज द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ दीज 3, ठीक है। देन वी फोकस्ड ऑन 42 एंड 84, 84 इज द लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ दीज 2, देन 48 एंड 84, 48 is 12 into 4, 84 is 12 into 7, so LCM of these two will be 12 into 4 into 7, 12 is HCF of these two, and 4 and 7 are uncommon factors, the remaining factors A and B. Now focus on 12 into 4 into 7 and 66. 66 is 11, which is the prime number, multiplied by 6. 6 is already included in 12, so we'll only need to multiply by 11. So 12 into 4 into 7 into 11, that will be our answer. Is this clear? ठीक है। Next question. 39, 65 and 90. Now 39 and 65 both are multiples of 13. This is 13 into 3. This is 13 into 5. So first take LCM of these two, which will be 13, which is HCF multiplied by 3 into 5. Now focus on this number, which is 13 into 15 and 90. 90 is 15 into 6. This is 15 into 13. 13 और 6 में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. So these are co-prime, तो multiply by 6 as well. Because 15 is HCF of 90 as well as this number. Okay. Next 36, 60 and 120. Between 60 and 120, 120 is the least common multiple. Remove 60. Now 36 is 12 into 3. 120 is 12 into 10. So least common multiple will be 12 into 10 into 3. This will be our LCM. Isn't it so? Okay. 70, 110, 150. Now we can see that 10 is the highest common factor of between them, and the rest of the numbers 7, 11 are prime, and then 15. So 7, 11, 15 are co-prime because they do not share any common factor. So 10 into 7 into 11 into 15, that will be our LCM in this case. Very easy question. Isn't it so? Clear है? ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now in these numbers, क्या हमें कोई highest common factor मिलेगा between these two? All 5 are consecutive numbers, तो highest common factor तो 1 होगा. ठीक है, हमें जो प्राइम बेसिस मिल रहे हैं इन नंबर्स में, वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन दोज. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी हैव टू नंबर्स, लेट अस से 2 स्क्वायर एंड 2 क्यूब. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी एलसीएम ऑफ दीज टू? 2 क्यूब क्या है? 2 क्यूब इज 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 2. तो 2 क्यूब इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर. So our least common multiple of these two will be 2 cube itself, because 2 cube is also a multiple of 2 square. So 2 cube हमारा least common multiple हो जाएगा इन दोनों का. Clear? ठीक है. If we have instead two numbers, 2 square into 3 cube, and second number is 3 square into 2 to the power 4. So what will be LCM of these two? Now focus on powers of prime numbers. In the first number, power of 2 is 2 square. In the second number, power of 2 is 4. तो higher power किस में आ रहा है? 2 to the power 4 में. और 2 square is factor of 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is multiple of 2 square. That is why 2 to the power 4 will be part of LCM. Higher power will be part of the LCM. Similarly, 3 cube and 3 square. तो higher power is 3 cube. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 cube, that will be our LCM. ठीक है. So in case of powers of prime numbers, if we are focusing on powers of prime numbers, always the higher power will be part of LCM. Always the higher power will be part of LCM. So focus on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 is the prime number and no other number shares 5. as a factor. 7 is also a prime number, so they must be in the LCM. 5 into 7. Similarly, 8 is 2 cube, 9 is 3 square. So we have highest power of 2 in 8, so into 2 to the power 3, highest power of 3 in 9, so into 3 square, or 6 is 2 into 3 only. So this will be our LCM. 5 into 7 into 2 cube into 3 square. ठीक है, which will be 36 into 7 into 10, so 2520. 2520. Another number that you must recall next time, 36 into 7. This is 252. So next time 252 कहीं पे दिखे तो you can recall that this is 36 into 7. या फिर 36 into 7 कहीं पे दिखे तो within seconds without calculation you should know that this is 252. Next, 8 factorial, 10 factorial and 12 factorial. Now 10 factorial is 8 factorial multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10. यही तो है, ठीक है. So definitely 10 factorial, this is a multiple of 8 factorial. Similarly, 12 factorial is 10 factorial multiplied by 11 multiplied by 12. So this is a multiple of 10 factorial. और अगर 10 factorial का multiple है और 10 factorial खुद 8 factorial का multiple है, so this will also be multiple of 8 factorial. So 12 factorial is the largest multiple of these two. So this will be the least common, largest among these. ठीक है. So least common multiple of these three numbers. So 12 factorial will be our answer in this case. This will be the least common multiple of all three numbers. ठीक है. Okay. HCF सबसे छोटा नंबर हो जाएगा. This is HCF. Okay. Because that is a factor. तो highest common factor है और this is least common multiple. Next question. 6 cube, 6 to the power 5, 6 to the power 9. Highest power. That is 6 to the power 9. Next case. 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 7. So 2 to the power 7 is higher power. 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 8. 3 to the power 8 is the higher power. Multiplied by 3 to the power 8 and 5 to the power 2. So this will be our LCM 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 2. Clear? अब इसमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा because there are 5 numbers first thing और फिर हमारे सारे के सारे प्राइम बेसिस नहीं है. कहीं पे 3 है, कहीं पे 6 है, कहीं पे 9 है, कहीं पे 8 है, कहीं पे 10 है. सो थोड़ा सा फोकस करना पड़ेगा. सो सबसे पहले 2 की हाईएस्ट पावर कहां पे आ रही है? 8 क्यूब इज 2 टू द पावर 9. 10 टू द पावर 4 में वी हैव 2 टू द पावर 4 इंटू 5 टू द पावर 4. 6 टू द पावर 4 इज 2 टू द पावर 4 इंटू 3 टू द पावर 4. दिस इज 3 टू द पावर 9 और 9 टू द पावर 5 इज 3 टू द पावर 10. 3 स्क्वायर टू द पावर 5 यानी 3 टू द पावर 10. तो 2 की मैक्सिमम पावर कितनी है? 2 टू द पावर 9. मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ 3 इज 3 टू द पावर 10. And then we have only 5 to the power 4 to multiply with this as well. So this will be our LCM of these 5 numbers. 2 to the power 9 into 3 to the power 10 into 5 to the power 4. Is this much clear? Okay. Clear है? Now we have to find out HCF and LCM of fractions. HCF and LCM of fractions. So if you have two fractions A by B and C by D, or even E by F, okay, if we want to take out highest common factor of these three, in that case we always take highest common factor of numerator values, which is A, C and E in this case, divided by least common multiple of B, D and F, which is denominator values. So HCF of fractions will be highest common factor of numerator values divided by least common multiple of denominator values. Okay, ठीक है. So HCF के केस में we have HCF divided by LCM, or if we are taking LCM of fractions and fractions are A by B, C by D and E by F, so in that case we are taking LCM of numerators, which is A, C and E, and that is divided by highest common factor of denominators, which is B, D and F. So LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. Is this clear? Okay. ठीक है. And always A by B, सबसे important point, that A by B, C by D, E by F, etc. must be most simplified forms of fractions. Most simplified means irreducible forms. They cannot be further reduced. Most simplified forms of fractions. Okay. So first question, HCF of 2 by 3, 4 by 6 and 8 by 27. 2 by 3, 4 by 6 and 8 by 27. Pause the video and first calculate it yourself. So the three numbers are HCF of 2 by 3, 4 by 6 and 8 by 27. Now, were you able to see this 4 by 6? तो छुपा हुआ बैठा था. So 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3 only. So सबसे पहले we must simplify all the fractions. So 2 by 3, second number is also 2 by 3, third is 8 by 27. So basically दो ही नंबर्स बचे because दो नंबर सेम है तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे. ठीक है. So HCF of 2 and 8 क्या होगा? HCF of 2 and 8 divided by LCM of 3 and 27. So 2 and 8 का HCF will be 2 only and LCM of 3 and 27 will be 27. So 2 by 27 will be our answer. 2 by 27. Because 4 by 6 must first be simplified. अगर simplified नहीं किया होता तो क्या होता? गलत आंसर आता. Because in that case तुम्हारा आंसर आता 2, 4 और 8 का HCF that will be 2. But 3, 6 and 27 का LCM that will be 54. So answer would have been 1 by 27 जो कि incorrect होता. So that you have to always remember that you must first simplify all the fractions that are given. Okay. Next question. 12 by 25, 9 by 10, 18 by 35 and 21 by 40, and we have to take HCF of these four numbers. Highest common factor of these four numbers. So that will be HCF of numerators 12, 9, 18 and 21, because all these fractions are already in the most simplified form. Then LCM of 25, 10, 35 and 40. So highest common factor क्या आ जाएगा? 12, 9, 18, 21 all are multiples of 3. 3 will be highest common factor and LCM of 25, 10, 35 and 40. 10 और 40 में से 40 is the least common factor of 10 and 40. तो 10 तो गया. 25 और 35 में 25 is 5 into 5, 35 is 5 into 7 and 40 is 5 into 8. So LCM will be 5 into 5 into 7 into 8. So 5 into 5 is 25 into 56, 3 by 1400. 3 by 1400 will be the HCF. क्या ये clear है? Okay. Next question. LCM of 2 by 9 and 8 by 21. First check whether these fractions are already simplified or not. 2 by 9 and 8 by 21. Since we have to calculate LCM, so that will be LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. HCF of 9 and 21. So LCM of 2 and 8, that will be 8 only. And HCF of 9 and 21, 9 is 3 into 3 and 21 is 3 into 7. So 3 into 3 into 7. So 63 will be our, एक सेकेंड क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? HCF of 9 and 21 will be 3 only. ब्लंडर हो रहा था अभी. ठीक है. 8 by 3 will be the answer because LCM कैलकुलेट करना है हमको. LCM कैलकुलेट करना है तो डिनोमिनेटर का तो HCF कैलकुलेट करेंगे ना. तो 9 and 21 का HCF will be 3 only. ओके. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 6 by 7, 12 by 13 and 7 by 15. 6 by 7, 12 by 13 and 7 by 15. So that will be LCM of numerator values, which is 6, 12 and 7, divided by HCF of denominator values, which is 7, 13 and 15. So 6, 12 and 7 का LCM will be 12 into 7. HCF of 7, 13, 15, all these are coprime, so HCF will be 1 only. So answer will be 84. 84 will be LCM of all these given values. Isn't it so? Clear? सो इन द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ एलसीएम इतना ही रखते हैं, एंड आई बिलीव जो भी हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए, जो भी एलसीएम कैलकुलेट किए, वो तुम्हें समझ में आए होंगे। कहीं पे भी किसी भी सेशन में किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर तुम्हें डाउट आए तो मेक श्योर टू कमेंट अबाउट दैट डाउट, and you can also connect with me on Telegram at ADITYAKT, or you can join the Telegram channel Mathological. That is all for this session, and bye bye, take care and keep learning. And if you like the content, then make sure to hit the like button as well. Keep learning.